Hey, everybody. I hope you had a great 3-day weekend. For this week, you are going to get the opportunity to start learning about Native Americans. Uh, so, if you are or were part of any classes that I missed on Monday, go ahead and click on that link. It will take you through a PowerPoint video of the lesson that we're going to go through in class. Not quite as detailed, just because you're not here to answer questions for it. So, I'm sorry about that. And then this video will be posted here under the Native American instructions. Obviously found it because, hey, you found it. Okay, at home after class, you are going to start a research project. You're going to pick a tribe from the regions we discussed in class. The PowerPoint that we will go through in class will be attached right here. And then you can look for a list of tribes to select from. You will open this research outline, or you could just do it right right here. Sorry about that. And then you're going to go out and research some reliable websites and complete the research outline. So you're going to open this here. You can open it with Office 365 Online. If you do that, you'll be able to submit this and it's going to be right there. You don't have to upload it. It's not going to be blank. So open it with Online. If you want, you can download it and save it. You'll have to re-upload it into this. But right here, you should just be able to type on it and you're good to go. If you're not using a school computer for some reason, make sure you log in with a new tab up here into your Office 365 or it's not going to work for you. Once you complete this, please review the rubric and submit the assignment. The rubrics and everything are fighting us right now, but they will be up there and should be working. So that's what you're going to do this week at home. In class, we'll learn about the Native Americans. We'll start it. I'll kind of get you moving in that right direction. And then we're going to follow with Native Americans for 2 weeks. I'm going to give you another lesson. We're going to have a discussion in class about your tribe. And then you are going to pick a part of your tribe and do a research project. More information will come on that next week. All right, you guys, study hard, have fun learning about a Native American tribe. And if you have any questions, as always, you shoot me an email. Just include your class period on it so I know who I'm talking to with all these different classes I teach. Just want to make sure everybody's on getting the right instructions and everything. So have a great day and make history.